And then the last one, I heard you on the call talking about the flat earth theory. Prophet Makandiwa was trending for claiming that the earth is not a sphere. How do you see the earth yourself?
Problem Maganda with Chikoro, but Chikoro did not go through you. You went to school, but school did not go through you.
Yeah.
If the world is spinning, this is an aeroplane.
Yeah.
The world is spinning. So why can't you just go up in the air and the world spins and then you land again? when the earth is spinning, Number two, if the world is round, Africa is here, America is here, India is here, China is here, Japan is here. So why are the aeroplanes not leaving Japan to come to California here? Why are they flying this way to come to California? Why not just live here, which is shorter in terms of the globe thing? Then you begin to process that the whole fallacy of the round earth versus a flat earth, the concept of Gondwana, the concept of Atlantis, and other worlds. Even the American world is lying. I was born in 1969. You ask me what happened in 1969.
The astronauts.
That's when they reached the moon. Oh, you can fly to the moon. Thousands of kilometers from here. But you have not crossed over Russia to tell us what is below the ice wall. Yeah, on Earth. You have not gone through. There's a NATO treaty that you can cross over. Here in South Africa. Yeah. Down here.
Yes.
From Cape Town. If you fly another 200 kilometers into the sea, you are into the south. In the South Pole. You have not crossed there. But you want to tell me that you've gone for thousands of kilometers into the sky. And that guy was walking on the moon, etc. Who was taking the picture? But maybe that's conversation for another day.
Thank you, Bishop.
Never assume that you are the best. You are lying to yourself. Don't criticize that man of God because he doesn't preach about that and you preach about that and that one doesn't preach. No. Different messengers are given different messages. There is no perfect church. There is no perfect ministry. You will never find it. Move around. The day you find it, you let me know. That
I finally found that perfect church. I found it.
I still perfect.
It's not perfect anymore. There's no church like that.
So stop looking for a perfect church. Where
are there no problems?
Could be.